Hi friends, I am your host Rizwankvlog. This time around I am shooting a program about 1965 war. During this program you will come across about the exact battle places and our brave army fighters who gave their lives fighting for the country. Right now I am on Wajid Wali Road. If my cameraman can show you the vast area behind me, this is the exact battle place where Indian and Pak army fought with their heavy tanks. Indian army attacked this place with their heavy 250 tanks, whereas Pak army had only 42 tanks to combat. Soon Pak army realized that the situation was not in control and they had no other option but to take grenades in their hands and went underneath the Indian tanks to destroy them in a blink of an eye. Pak army almost won half of the battle in this place, destroying almost 180 tanks of Indian army. Friends, at this point of time, we are at the grave of unsung hero of 1965 war, Major Ziauddin Abbasi. He with his few companions fought so brilliantly that they did not allow huge Indian attack to cross the line for 2 days. Before he was martyred with his soldiers. If I can show you his grave right behind me, may Allah shower his blessing on him. Now we are at the railway station Chawinda. On 14 September, Indian army captured this place and thought that the war was over. But Pak army had other ideas and was quite ready to burst the bubble of Indian army. From here, Indian army marched towards Butadogra, the village right behind me, where Colonel Tarapur was killed. Indian army could not resist too long and ran away eventually from Butadogra. Viewers, this is Mundeki Beriya village where General retired Hamid Gul and General Pervez Musharraf were deployed during this war. They looked after this place and fought well to defeat Indian army. In the end, I show you the martyrs of 1965 war who were buried in Chawinda graveyard. If my cameraman can show you their graves right behind me. Viewers, as I showed you different places of war, I hope you would like this video. Please do watch this video and comment.